Hi guys, I want to help you guys make the best face scrub mask ever with these simple ingredients. You guys, your face will be amazing. I have very bad acne, so we're going to use pure lemon juice, or if you got a fresh lemon, grounded cinnamon. We're going to use nutmeg, allspice, honey, and sugar. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sugar in there, guys. But this face scrub has been doing wonders for years for my face to take all of the scarring. So the sugar is exfoliator, so I'm putting the sugar in there. And I always use a big one, put it in my bathroom, and I use this every day. So sugar is acting as an exfoliator. Stop my coffee. Okay. Lemon juice or fresh lemon is going to be a skin lightener. So when you get them spots in your face, the lemon juice acts as a lightener, a natural lightener. So I'm going to put the lemon juice in there. I'm going to put some honey. And the honey is an anti-aging. It'll help tighten up your skin and help remove a lot of the dead skin and give you that natural glow. So honey. My honey don't want to come out. Come on, honey. Okay, I got some more honey that I can dip out. That one is kind of taking forever. So this is raw organic honey. And that's act as an anti-aging. Cinnamon helps with inflammation and scarring. Little cinnamon. Nutmeg helps with bacteria and stuff from the bumps. And allspice is another one that help remove inflammation, scar tissue, well, dead skin and stuff like this. So this is allspice. And a lot of these seasonings you probably can find in the Dollar Tree. And for oil, you can do, I do a 1 cap of vitamin E oil. And that's on the other side. I forgot to bring that over here. 1 cap of vitamin E oil. And then you just stir it, guys. And you use this every morning. Put it on your face, or when you get ready to shower at night, you use this every morning. And you will be amazed on how I remove the bumps, the acne, all of that. This stuff has worked miracles for me. So this will be your miracle face scrub. You keep it in your bathroom. And I use this every day. So depending on how thick you want, I like mine to be nice and kind of thick. So more like a paste. So, and yes, I get up, I use this every morning. And it has worked miracles on my face. Like I have really bad acne that inflames and bumps. And now my face is amazing. So I wanted to share this miracle face scrub with you guys. That'll remove all scars, inflammation, everything, and give you that youthful look. Remember, the vitamin E goes in here, guys. That is what's missing, and that's all on the other side. But I'm going to stop this video, guys. Just wanted to show you guys this is what you'll use to remove all acne scars, imperfections, inflamed skin, and everything. This will be the recipe. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.